31.50. And that was a gas can because I can smell it over here. Christopher Shum up next on a Holden, Wisconsin, the Black Ice Jeep Grand Cherokee, sponsored by Petticoat Junction, Finley Concrete, and Dingers Ag and Auto. Okay, let's keep Chris going. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Get up. He can leave whenever he wants. His time starts when he leaves the starting line. Now this guy's part of the North Central Tough Truck Association. These guys got some nice trucks and they know how to run them. Chris is on a good pass. Come on. Keep bringing her home. Into the last corner he comes. Foot full throttle. Bring it on, baby.
Woo!
Nice run for the Black Ice Jeep. Wow. Wait till you hear this time. 23.12 seconds. I mean, that is close to almost 10 seconds faster than the rest of the guys. Okay, on the line next is going to be Eric Smith out of Holden, Wisconsin. Another Jeep. Petticoat Junction, Ready Concrete, and Skyline Fireworks all sponsoring Eric. Let's get him going. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
and he's off. Here we go. Also part of that North Central Tough Truck Association, you'll see got a complete roll cage in this thing and not afraid to get on the gas. Almost getting up on 2 wheels. Oh, he'll take the cold with him, that's okay. That's just some added features. Make some noise for Eric, he's right there with him.
Woo!
23:57. These guys are on it tonight. They are out for blood. And then we got Paul Cole coming up next. Paul out of Reedsburg, Wisconsin, the Bits and Pieces Jeep. Sponsored by PNC Services and Archimon out of Reedsburg.
You think so?
Paul.
Oh, yeah. That sounds bad. You want to try it?
No. I think I could do my car can do that.
And he's gonna wait. Yeah, when he's ready to go, we'll start his time. They're gonna put
My
that
car can
code
do
back.
that.
You want to try it?
No.
So let Tony.
Go get your car right now and go on the thing.
I can do all
Let's
this.
do it again. 5.
2, 1.
Give her Paul.
I could.
And this is another guy that races for the North Central Tough Truck Association. These guys like these Jeep Grand Cherokees. With a little bit of work, you can beat these things right in the ground. Come on, Paul, runner.
Woo!
Paul made our show in Chip Falls, Wisconsin this year. He's got a good pass going. Give him a big round of applause. We'll see what his time is.
Woo!
26:56. Oh no! Tyler Hungerford is back in the house out of Freedom, Wisconsin. Look at this thing, huh? Ain't that a beauty? He is sponsored by the Beaver's Hut Sports Bar in Freedom, Wisconsin. And if you ain't never been there, they ain't partied up. So let's get Tyler going. 5,
2, 1.
two-wheel drive. He's trying to beat this thing right into submission. It's a two-wheel drive, but he is making it work. Yeah. Like it says in the window, he loves to play.
That two-wheel drive.
And they've been racing this
Yeah.
truck for a couple
My
years
two-wheel
now.
drive. Mine is my wheel drive.
Get her turned, Tyler. Come on. Yeah. Foot full of gas, getting her done. 30.62 seconds for Tyler. Okay, looks like what? Jerry coming up next.
I can do that. I can
Yeah?
do that. Yeah, I can do that easily.
Want to go try it?
No. I don't
Oh,
think
Jerry's out, so we
my
go
car
to
can do
Jeff
that.
Shiner. Yep, here we go. Thank you. So Jeff
Easily
coming up
play.
next on a
I don't know if I can jump that high.
Why don't you want to go try it?
But my shocks are gone.
And it looks like you might hit a couple deer, a couple trees already, but it is what it is. All right.
My shocks are gone.
Oh, yeah?
5.
3, 2, 1.
My shocks are gone. My shocks are
He's
gone.
trying to kill this thing, I swear. This afternoon, these guys, sponsored by Lightning Auto Care Center. He's not afraid to run her. Oh, that beat on it.
My shocks are gone.
Get her turn, makes his first lap. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I can. I can't. He's like, it ain't gonna make it. Let's give Jeff a big round of applause if you would for bringing some pipes.
You can do it. You can't do it.
And
No.
if you'd have made that second lap, you'd have got a time, so he hits up with a DNF.
You can't do it. My car can do it.
So we got Ernest
Come try
Grant
it.
coming up next on a Merrill.
I don't think I could do that. I could actually.
He's
I
gonna have a
could.
Chevy
But I
Trailblazer.
can jump over those cars.
Sponsored by Lightning Express.
Go try it. Go get your car.
My shocks are gone.
Today they wrecked like 2-3 trucks.
I think my car
They
goes
went
this.
back home and brought a bunch
I don't
more
think
from
we're
tonight.
that.
So
That
they're just having a
Kinda hard to
blast.
do that.
It's just
Yeah.
what racing's all about.
Huh?
I explained it earlier today. If you'd like to do this
Shocks
next
gone.
year,
My tires are
if you got a car, a van, or a truck, a seatbelt, and a helmet, come on out.
my car
and
flat
talk
tires.
about a race.
If you got a car, if you got a seatbelt, if you got a helmet, go on out there. 2, 1.
And he's off.
Yeah, that's it.
Now he beat this thing earlier today. The mirrors, look at that. Mirrors are breaking off. Come on, Ernest, get her done.
Mine's breaking off period.
Oh yeah, Chevy. Oh, spare wheels have already come out.
Rear wheels.
He ain't got a flag yet, but he might need it. It's hanging on. Make some noise for Ernest. Come on. Yeah. Out to beat that thing into the ground. So Ernest's time was not that bad. He was at 26.78.
That's pretty good.
We got some rest cars.
So we got Nick coming up next. Nick Oslage. Nick is out of Merrill,
We'll
Wisconsin.
take Joe's white one out.
Bringing out his Jeep
Pretty
Cherokee.
label.
Also sponsored by Lightning Express Towing. Okay, we'll get Nick on the line. Let's get him going. 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
And he's off. He ran pretty competitive earlier today. And you'll see he's not afraid to get on it. Got some pretty good suspension on this thing too. It heats it up pretty nice. Oh yeah, foot full throttle, baby, make it happen. Oh, I see a muffler. It's hanging, but he's still going. All right, not a bad pass. Oh, the muffler's dragging. That's all right. 28. 38 was his time, not bad for Nick. Okay. Now here comes our newcomer. He raced earlier today for the first time ever. He is 15 years of age. He's grown up around this. You saw his dad set fast time earlier. This is Landon Shove.
Wow, 15.
Landon is ready to get him done. Let's do it. 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
And he's off. Landon Shove. Now they told him, see, it's first round. He's going to go easy on it. They told him, try and learn how to drive this thing without breaking it your first time out. So Dad's being wise, telling him, get a feel for the track, and you can start getting on it. See, he's got a little more speed. Gotta remember, this kid's getting down to our last couple. So yeah, we got Julian, and then we should have TJ, which I got, and Kevin. Yep. 3 more to go. Julian coming trackside right now. This will be his second time driving a tough truck. He's from Christopher, Illinois. Sponsored by Total Care Contractors, driving the Papa Spade, Colorado. Right, let's get Julian on the line. Looks like he's ready to go. Let's count him down. 5,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And we give him a read. He's off. Getting pretty good earlier today getting the feel for the truck. This is now his second time doing this. Oh yeah, he's been a little more air. Use a little more gas pedal. Alright, Julian takes in the last quarter. Down to the finishing line, and he will come to a stop. And his time is 29.59, I believe. So a good run for him. And then we got these 2 crazy guys. These last 2 guys showed up at the last minute. Glad to have them here. Coming out first is going to be TJ Post. TJ's out of Verona, Wisconsin. If you don't know where that is, it's down by Madison. Oh, we got Schmidt first. Okay, they're changing it up on us. Changing up. This will be Kevin Schmidt. He's also from Verona, Wisconsin. They're both down that way. This is the Kathmandu Jeep Grand Cherokee, sponsored by Schmidt's Auto. Let's get Kevin going. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
And green flag is off. These guys were late comers, but I heard that they just like to get nuts, man. Here they go. Come on, Kevin, make her fly. Oh, yeah. Kevin Schmidt all fast. Hang on there. Little sideways. Come on, make some noise for him, wausau. Going for it. 25.94 the time. He's right there in the money. Okay, one more jumper, or I should say one more tough truck here, and then we're getting ready to go freestyle motocross jumping. So the guys can get ready. TJ Post out of Verona bringing up his Jeep, sponsored by Schmidt's Auto. Okay, let's count down TJ. 5,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
and he's off. Oh, he's going big. On the brakes. Oh no. Might have hit pretty hard. Oh,
Oh!
it's saying I can't. I wanna, but I can't.
Well, he jumped too hard, I think, and bang.
Alright, looks like we will need the Bobcat or the tractor trackside. Let's give TJ a big round of applause anyway. See you. And get back in the competition. So we'll get him assisted off the track. Meantime, we'll get ready to go with our sick FMX freestyle motocross jumpers. See, this is the theme music I should have had going for these guys. Just the good old boys, wrecking some parts, and everything else. Alright, well, getting it out there, getting that thing out of there for us. Once again, we want to thank United Rentals. They provided us with the tractor we're using here this weekend. And I think they're just going to give him a push right off the track.
Scott's
trucks
too
have
hard.
been rolled a couple times. These guys are not afraid to just have some fun.
They might do some high off. They might do some ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here it comes. Second at the next Mr. Giles Bush. Let's see if Scotty can give you a little wheelie action. There you go, put her up there, Scotty. And the bike's warming up. As I said before, Scott was the first freestyle motocross jumper to go to the X Games and actually plant and land a double backflip. You ain't gonna see a double backflip here today, but how many people want to see a motorcycle backflip?
Yeah!
We'll see if we make enough noise for Scotty and we get him fired up. What they're doing is they're going to warm the bikes up, they're going to make a couple passes up and down, and they're going to make what we like to call practice jumps. You won't see them doing any acrobats in the first couple. Now Scott needs to hear noise. So of course, as our jumpers get ready, the more noise you make, the bigger the tricks you're going to throw. Here comes some practice.